when you join academically, how many hours you study and what your strategies?
Considering all that, I think moving was a better option even at this stage. Like I thought it will be more peaceful for me, and also again the benefits which come with better work-life balance, better pay, and
Dr. Priyanka, apart from our note from the academically, do you have some other, you are referring some books or something, or this is the enough for you? जो अपकमिंग स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए कुछ अगर आप बोलना चाहें, कैसे उनको प्रिपरेशन करना चाहिए?
I think yeah, consistency and dedication is very important. And ऐसा नहीं है कि after AMC Part 1 you won't get a job or anything, because I landed a job now in Melbourne.
बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है यार जॉब नहीं मिलता है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, जॉब नहीं, बहुत टफ है, क्या है, जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है, नो। आई ऑलवेज सेड इफ वी कंपेयर विद यूके, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बहुत ही जॉब अवेलेबल है, एंड स्पेशली इफ यू आर, आपको ऐसा अगर आप, इफ यू आर नॉट गिवन एनी प्रेफरेंस फॉर सिटी, if you are open to work anywhere in Australia, I'm sure you will get definitely work in within few months, even few days.
Yeah, what you're saying is true. The thing is, I finished, I got the results in the end of November and I started applying. So the application process itself was a little tedious, but I think people give up at that time. That's what I felt. Many people who were telling me that you won't get the job because there are no jobs in Australia, or that's what like I heard from many people who are already working there actually.
I know but started with us, उसको 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है एज ए वर्किंग इन वन ऑफ द CHC इन गुजरात, उसको जॉब मिल गया है एज ए थ्रू द पैथ की, ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चों को जॉब मिल रहा है. इफ यू हैव एटलीस्ट 1 year, you must try everywhere, every day, whenever you got job.
No, that's very true. I think like I put at around 80 applications. From I got the result, and from next day itself I started applying, and around 80 applications I put through, and now I started getting interviews. I got the interview. I gave the interview last Wednesday actually in Melbourne, Sunshine Hospital, Western Health, Melbourne, and it's a senior registrar on obstetric gynec post. And it was my first interview again, but I did prepare. Once I started applying, I started preparing for the interview myself. And then I got it. Yesterday only I accepted the job offer.
So this is very good. Those already did MD or MS in home country, and if you have some experience, maybe 5 year, 8 year, you are planning to migrate. So this is the same way Dr. Priyanka already got job, right? Like SR resident, she got the job. Not just in Australia, you can get a junior medical officer or resident medical officer or senior resident medical officer. This is purely based on your previous experience also. Because since you have experience, तो उनको SRM का मतलब जो है पोजीशन मिला है. बट आपको अगर एक्सपीरियंस कम भी है, then you may land into a RMO job, और अगर एक्सपीरियंस और लेस है तो मे बी GMO job, बट जॉब्स ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बहुत ज्यादा होती हैं. इट में टेक 3 months or 4 months or 6 months, but definitely आपको मिलेगा. And you will also see recency of work in your home country, and you pass the exam, please work करना है आपको. बहुत सारे लोग क्या करते हैं, सर अभी we are preparing for AMC or NEET PG, और घर पे बैठे हुए जॉब नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Actually, they are very impressed if you don't have gaps. I don't have any gap in my CV actually. From the time from 2005 when my education started, I've been continuously working. There is no gap in my CV. And again, I think the duration of experience also mattered. But still, if you have a strong CV and if you can show your work, but definitely working where you have done your post-graduation after that for some time would definitely help. Just after like post-graduation or just after your internship, it may be a little difficult to get a good post, but if you work for some time and you have a decent experience, you can show what you have done, and then apply. You should not give up. Putting 80 applications was not easy in the last 2-3 months for me, but every day I would sit and do it until I got interviews. And next week actually I have interviews for NSW, but I had to refuse because I took the job already.
Okay, I mean, I can say Victoria is better than NSW because I am living last many years in NSW, New South Wales, very costly city है Sydney basically, but it's in Melbourne में half of the cost रहता है even for house and all those things. तो आपका better decision है, I can say. But Dr. Priyanka, if you can just give us, कि आपने कैसे apply किया, और you mentioned 80 applications किया, तो क्या cover letter you are writing for each job separately or just you are copy paste? जैसे इंडिया में लोग copy paste
No,
करते
no,
हैं,
no.
तो लोगों को लगता है यार जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है, तो लोग क्या करते हैं, सेम सीवी,
Yeah, yeah.
सेम जो है कवर लेटर लिख लिया, जस्ट नाम चेंज करके भेज भेज रहे, सबको सेम भेज रहे.
You need a strategy definitely. It's वो भी you'll get a hang of it once you start. I think मुझे भी ऐसा starting में थोड़ा obviously my earlier applications the ones I put out in December did not get accepted. So I was wondering कि क्या कर सकते हैं. Like I come again, I changed my CV. I did a lot of research. You have a lot of online videos where you can research about how you can write your CV. I think there are a lot of blogs as well where medical CV you can research and write. And yeah, I mean, take help from whoever you can and have an impressive CV, write a good CV. And that is very important. And also, the cover letter has to be like really well written for each application. It's a different cover letter.
Yes,
There is no copy pasting here.
yes,
It is effort. It is definitely effort for me. Literally, I've written 80 cover letters till now, I think. And you can have a format, or your introduction will definitely be the same. But
yeah,
later on, you have to incorporate the job description में जो keywords रहता है, you
exactly,
have to incorporate that
yes,
because that is how they pick it. Your CV should have the keywords, and your cover letter should have the keywords. It should be like you need to really research this and write it. And each job, whatever the job description is, you have to download it and then you have to take those keywords and then make your own sentence. If you're using AI, be a little careful. You will have to rephrase it later on so that it does look like you've written it.
yeah,
But yeah, I mean, it's a different cover letter for each job, but CV is pretty much the same. But APRA format में अगर कर रहे हो तो it is much better. If, you have to have signed it, dated it, that and all is important. Your references should be really strong as well. Actually, my references were very strong. I have my HOD reference who I worked with for the past 3 years, and he was my first reference. And my other consultants who I've worked with have given references. So don't give references who have just junior level ki registrar hai ki ho jayega. Give good references and make sure that they are promptly sending your references properly. Many jobs after my interview got over, next day itself they asked me for references, and my referees were really, since I've worked with them and they like me, they sent the references very promptly just the next day. And
if they like your, if they want this candidate, immediately next day the HR will, send them for the reference check, So
yeah, they did. And next day, they said, we are, we want to offer you the job. When can you join?
yes,
So yeah, I mean, it was very satisfying. Very happy to have gone through that as well. But and you have to prepare for interview also. I think people leave that at the last minute. But when I started applying, I was like, it's okay. Even if I get the interview tomorrow, I should be able to give it. So started preparing for that also simultaneously. So I think you have to be on top of it. And basically, like, you have to be until I get it, I will not stop. That should be your mentality. Otherwise, it's not that easy.
so what
So
kind of questions they ask generally in the interview, especially they are um, regarding
for me, it was my first interview.
okay.
I can only talk about that
ओके.
because
तो डॉक्टर प्रियंका ने एक ही इंटरव्यू इनको कॉल हुआ और उसी में ही जॉब हो गया, बाकी जो इंटरव्यू इनको मिल रहे हैं उन्होंने रिफ्यूज करेंगे बिकॉज शी ऑलरेडी एक्सेप्ट द ऑफर.
yeah. So I first was introduce yourself, like walk us through your medical education and your current role. So I just gave them a 1.5 2 minute intro. And then after that, it was all clinical questions. It was because all based on obstetric and gynec, because they said it's a very busy hospital and they want, and it was a senior registrar role actually. So they want to evaluate whether you will be competent in those situations. So first question was counseling a woman for VBAC, like vaginal birth after C-section. And the second question was there are labor room scenario where there are three high risk cases together, and how will you prioritize that? So there was one second stage arrest which needed forceps, and one antepartum hemorrhage and one postpartum hemorrhage. So how would you prioritize and what would you do in that situation? And another question was there's a bladder injury when you're operating. So how would you go about it? So these were the questions, and then they asked me about just generally about my hospital, and they asked me about how what I will feel what challenging if I join Western Health, and why am I moving, and they asked me about yeah, they asked me about that, and they asked me if I have any questions for them. So yeah, I kept them engaged throughout. So I think that was fine.
कोई इंडियन था उस पैनल में, इंटरव्यू पैनल में?
दो Indians थे panel में actually. Yeah, there were three Australian, I think, people and two. So there were 5 people and plus the HR who was an Australian.
बट जनरली वो इंडियन है या नहीं है, वहां पर बायस नहीं रहेगा, बिकॉज दे आर अगर आप कॉम्पिटेंट एनफ है, आपका इंटरव्यू अच्छा लगा, दे विल इमीडिएटली ऑफर यू द जॉब, वेदर इट इज गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट। थोड़ा सा बायस नहीं लगता है? हम लोग बोलते हैं यार इंडियन है तो अभी हमको शायद जॉब प्रेफरेंस मिलेगा। गोरे और बेटर होते हैं कम्पेयर टू इंडियन, दे विल इफ यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट।
Okay, okay.
यस, कोई मैं तो बहुत साल जॉब किया हूँ। मेरे सिडनी में हॉस्पिटल है जो है वेस्टमिल्स चिल्ड्रन हॉस्पिटल, ये सबसे बड़ा हॉस्पिटल है वहाँ का, एनएसडब्ल्यू का।
Okay, okay.
आपको थोड़ा सा इनिशियली आपको कुछ महीने काम करना पड़ेगा। आई मीन यस, एक चीज तुमने बताई थी कि सीवी में गैप शो नहीं करना है। अगर गैप भी है यू नीड टू जस्टिफाई। फॉर एग्जांपल आपने
Yeah.
शादी हो गया आपका, या कुछ प्रेगनेंसी का इशू था, ऐसा कुछ जो भी एक जस्टिफाइबल है वो आप देंगे। अदरवाइज ऐसा नहीं है कि आप प्रैक्टिसिंग नहीं कर रहे हैं और आपने गैप एक लॉन्ग है तो दे आर नॉट गिव द प्रेफरेंस बेबी।
Yeah, and if you, in case you have gaps, you should have good CPD points.
ये सीएमई और सीपीडी पॉइंट को आपने कुछ सीवी में कैसे, कोई इंडिया में तो जनरली इतना वो नहीं है, कितने पॉइंट मिल रहे हैं क्या है, तो उनको कैसे आपने?
Yeah. हाँ, तो सीवी में लास्ट में जो CPD एंड एडिशनल एक्टिविटीज जो रहता है, यू हैव टू मेंशन दैट. आई एक्चुअली डू do a lot of CMEs I attend. So I had a lot of CMEs. I had to filter and write. So I had not mentioned so many CMEs and so many workshops I had attended. So I just mentioned the main ones. जो पर recently जो किया I mentioned, and recently I did a fellowship also in laparoscopy, so that I had mentioned, and also like whatever since I was in medical college, it was easier for me to like write my a lot of CPD like activities I did there also. जो audit है, जो भी है, like everything I had mentioned. So yeah, like CMEs you need to have, once you attend a CME you will get the certificate, right? So that will definitely be enough. But अभी तो online भी बहुत ज़्यादा, you have a lot of CMEs, online CMEs, which are giving ICOG and also Foxy, whatever points. So it's good to attend all that, and it has to be mentioned towards the end in the CV with the CPD activities and extra like whatever.
पीजी के उनको लगता है यार मेरे को स्पेशलिस्ट ही जाके जॉब करना है, तो व्हाई आई हैव टू गो एज एसआरएम और आरएमओ, तो उसको आप कैसे जस्टिफाई करेंगे? इफ यू कैन जस्ट आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज़ जिसने एमडीएमएस इंडिया में किया है ना, इवन इफ दे हैव 1 year एक्सपीरियंस, they want to become a specialist, they want to become a consultant only in Australia or any country. बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि हम कंसल्टेंट तो want to practice हैं।
That's not possible even here. You can't. And also it's a different country. You have to understand that their fears are justifiable. So they will obviously not know what your capacity is, and they will not give you a senior role as soon as you join. Nobody will give you a senior. For example, if like I am a senior resident, I am teaching my postgraduate C-section. I am not going to give her skin to skin for the first time. It's quite normal for anybody who's running a setup to not trust a new person. That is how we start. It's lives we are dealing with. It's not something कि computer पे कुछ कर लिया कि गलती हो गई फिर ठीक कर लेंगे. It's not like that. It's human life. So their fear is definitely justifiable. They will not give you a higher post. You have to go work, show yourself, prove yourself, and once you prove yourself, I'm sure you will be able to climb up your career ladder in no time. But you can't expect even in India to just go to a hospital and say ki like I know everything, you give me this, I will do this. That's not possible. That's not how it works in our medical field. Definitely there is a learning curve for everyone, and you have to go through that learning curve, and once you prove yourself, definitely I'm sure that everybody will know ki you are capable and you will be able to do well after that. But can't expect them to give a senior level job as soon as you enter. So I think that's something we have to understand as professionals and not be so unreasonable.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Dr. Priyanka.
Thank you sir, for having me.